What is up, Rippers? We got something big coming today. Something I think you guys really like. This dog's definitely liking it. Let's go and see what it is. Got it open. Packaging. Jeez, there's so much. Got a water bottle. Shoot. Rocky Mountain ATV. You got a bag with it. Some more stuff there. Got some more parts in here. See? Got some of that. We got some bearings and not bearings. Some springs and some gaskets for I think you can tell. Here you go. The big one. Get it. We're gonna cut it open. Cut it open. Let's pull this thing out. So excited. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. That thing's clean. Fresh FMF exhaust. Oh my gosh. That thing is beautiful. Oh my. Dude, this thing is clean. Frick yeah, dude. Whew. Dude, this thing is amazing. Let's go. Let's put this thing in the sun. Oh, shoot. Sunshine. Dude. Thing's insane. Oh, freak yeah. Dude, this thing's amazing. Like, dude, it's got all the tinted colors. It's got like the bright marks along the welds. Oh crap. Well, this thing's looking beautiful. And that'll be it right for now. Give you an update when we got it on the bike. Should have it on by the end of the week. See you then.